Exercise 5.1. Question 1. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? Part 1. The taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So let A1 is equal to 15, that is first term. A2 is equal to 15 plus 8, that is equal to 23. A3 is equal to 23 plus 8, that is equal to 31. So the price list will be 15, 23, 31 and so on. D is equal to A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. So that implies 23 minus 15 is equal to 8 and 31 minus 23 is also equal to 8. As the common difference is same, that is equal to 8. Therefore, it is an AP. Part 2. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So, let original volume be X units and 1/4 of air removed. So that implies 1/4 of total air is X. So 1/4 of X is removed. So remaining volume will be equal to X minus 1/4 of X. So let us take denominator. Denominator is 4 and numerator will be 4x minus 1x. So that is equal to 3x upon 4. That implies again remove 1/4 of 3x by 4. So that is equal to 1/4 into 3x upon 4, that is equal to 3x upon 16. So remaining air will be 3x by 4 minus 3x upon 16. So let us take denominator. Denominator is 16. So numerator will become 12x minus 3x, that is equal to 9x upon 16. Therefore, sequence will be x, 3 by 4x, 9 by 16x and so on. So let us find the common difference now. 3 by 4x minus x, that is 3x minus 4x upon 4 is equal to minus x upon 4. Similarly, let us subtract second term from the third term. 9 by 16x minus 3 by 4x is equal to 9x minus 12x upon 16, that is equal to minus 3x upon 16. Since A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2, so that is common difference is not same, therefore it is not an AP. Part 3. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. Let's solve it. A1 is 150. So what will be A2? 150 plus 50. ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि जो इनिशियल कॉस्ट है वो कितनी है 150 और हर बार सब्सिक्वेंट मीटर, सब्सिक्वेंट यानी हर आगे आने वाले मीटर के लिए, हर एक मीटर के लिए रेट बढ़ेगा. कितने से बढ़ेगा? 50 रुपीज से. सो दैट मीन्स सेकेंड टर्म विल बी 150 प्लस 50, दैट इज इक्वल टू 200. इसी तरीके से A3 की वैल्यू क्या होगी? 200 प्लस 50, दैट इज 250. सो sequence is 150, 200, 250. So let us find the common difference. A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2. Both will be equal to 50. Therefore, it is an AP. Part 4. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. So let us find whether it is an AP or not. So first term A1, that is 10,000. So what will be A2? 10,000 plus 10,000 multiplied by 8 upon 100. So it becomes 10,000 plus 800, that is equal to 10,800. Similarly, let us find A3. A3 भी कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? अब हमारा प्रिंसिपल क्या होगा? वो नई अमाउंट, सो उसी पे इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट करेंगे। सो 10,800 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 8 अपॉन 100 इंटू 1 इज इक्वल टू 10,000 प्लस 864, that is equal to 11,664. So the sequence is 10,000, 10,800, 11,664. So let us find common difference now. A2 minus A1 is equal to 10,800 minus 10,000, that is equal to 800. Similarly, A3 minus A2, that is equal to 11,664 minus 10,800, that is equal to 864. As the common difference is not same, so that is A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2, therefore it is not an AP. Question 2. Write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. Part 1. A is equal to 10, D is equal to 10. We know the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. So what will be A2? A2 will be A plus D. A3 is A plus 2D. A4 is A plus 3D. So let us solve first part. What is given? First term, that is A is equal to 10, and common difference, that is D is also equal to 10. So what will be A2? A2 is equal to A plus D, that is equal to 10 plus 10, that is equal to 20. A3 is equal to A plus 2D, that is equal to 10 plus 2 into 10. So that implies 10 plus 20, that is equal to 30. Similarly, A4 is equal to A plus 3D. So that is equal to 10 plus 3 into 10, that is equal to 10 plus 30, that is 40. Thus first 4 terms are 10, 20, 30, 40. Part 2. A is equal to minus 2 and D is equal to 0. So what is given? A, that is first term. So A1 is equal to minus 2. A2 is equal to minus 2 plus D, that is equal to minus 2 plus 0, that is equal to minus 2. A3 is equal to A plus 2D, that is equal to minus 2 plus 0, that is also equal to minus 2. A4 is equal to A plus 3D, that is equal to minus 2 plus 0, that is equal to minus 2. So first 4 terms are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Part 3. A is equal to 4 and D is equal to minus 3. So A means first term. So A1 is equal to 4. A2, that is second term, is equal to A plus D. That implies 4 plus minus 3. So that is 1. Similarly, A3 is equal to A plus 2D. That is equal to 4 plus 2 into minus 3. That is equal to 4 minus 6. That is minus 2. Similarly, A4 is equal to A plus 3D. That is equal to 4 plus 3 into minus 3. That implies 4 minus 9. That is equal to minus 5. Therefore, first 4 terms will be 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. Part 4. A is equal to minus 1, D is equal to 1 by 2 or half. So A means first term. So A1 is equal to minus 1. So that is equal to minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Let us take LCM. LCM is 2 and numerator will be minus 2 plus 1. That implies minus 1 by 2. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. That implies minus 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2. That is equal to minus 1 plus 1. That is equal to 0. A4 will be A plus 3D. That is equal to minus 1 plus 3 into 1 by 2. That is equal to minus 1 plus 3 by 2. So let us take LCM. LCM is 2. Calculate. Numerator will become minus 2 plus 3. That is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, first 4 terms will be minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. Part 5. A is equal to minus 1.25. D is equal to minus 0.25. So A1 is minus 1.25. A2 will be A plus D. That is equal to minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25. That implies minus 1.25 minus 0.25. That is equal to minus 1.50. Similarly, let us calculate A3. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A3 is equal to A plus 2D, that is equal to minus 1.25 plus 2 into minus 0.25. That is equal to minus 1.25 minus 0.50. That is equal to minus 1.75. Similarly, A4 is equal to A plus 3D. That is equal to minus 1.25 plus 3 into minus 0.25. That is equal to minus 1.25 minus 0.75. That is equal to, क्योंकि अब दोनों नंबर क्या है माइनस के, इसका मतलब होगा क्या प्लस और साइन किसका आएगा माइनस का. सो इट विल बिकम minus 2. So the first four terms will be minus 1.25, comma minus 1.50, comma minus 1.75, comma minus